Congress MLC Ramesh Babu has written to the Chief Election Commissioner alleging serious lapses in the Special Intensive Revision of Electoral Rolls in Karnataka. In his letter, Babu claimed that nearly half of the enumeration forms are yet to be distributed, even though 15 days have passed since the exercise began on June 30th. He alleged that many eligible households have still not received the forms. The Congress leader also questioned the functioning of voter facilitation centers. He disputed the Karnataka Chief Electoral Officer's claim that 37,464 voter facilitation centers and 11,856 PLO facilitation centers are operational, calling the figures inaccurate. Babu urged the Election Commission to establish facilitation centers in every polling station area, continue door-to-door distribution until all households are covered, and extend the deadline for submitting forms. He also sought directions to ensure that no voter is removed from the electoral rolls solely because the enumeration form was not delivered. In addition, he called for district-level grievance counters, helplines, daily updates on form distribution, and doorstep assistance for senior citizens to ensure a transparent revision process.